Thanks for joining us on our adventure, but before we get started, please subscribe. And remember to hit the bell for notifications. Bye.
After leaving Ogden, Utah, we headed north towards Twin Falls, Idaho, and ended up boondocking at Hanson's Bridge, overlooking the Snake River. The Snake River Canyon is a canyon formed by the Snake River in the Magic Valley region of southern Idaho, forming part of the boundary between Twin Falls County to the south and Jerome County to the north. The canyon ranges up to 500 feet deep and a quarter-mile wide and runs for just over 50 miles in the state of Idaho. Snake River is a major river of the greater Pacific Northwest region in the United States. At 1,078 miles long, it is the largest tributary of the Columbia River. In turn, the largest North American river that empties into the Pacific Ocean. The Snake River rises in western Wyoming, then flows through the Snake River Plain of southern Idaho, the rugged Hells Canyon on the Oregon-Idaho border, and the rolling Palouse Hills of Washington, emptying into the Columbia River at the Tri-Cities in Washington state. The next morning, we headed to Shoshone Falls, and are sure glad we didn't miss this beautiful attraction.
We're at Shoshone Falls in Twin Lakes, Idaho, and it's a magnificent, beautiful morning. And there's a gorgeous rainbow overlooking the falls. And the Snake River. About a 200-foot drop in the falls.
Located at the edge of Twin Falls, Shoshone Falls is a natural beauty on the Snake River. At 212 feet, the falls are higher than Niagara Falls. The falls offer a unique blend of recreational facilities, including playgrounds, hiking trails, picnic areas, a boat ramp, swimming area, and a scenic overlook. A picnic in the shaded grassy area provides a perfect vantage point for viewing Shoshone Falls.
Thanks again for watching. Oh, and in case you forgot, please subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye.